This is a foundation. It's from Sunset Makeup and it's not a face paint. It's a foundation. I actually got all the colors. Only seen people with light skin trying it, so I want to see if it works on darker skin. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, you guys. This is so pigmented. I already got it in my hair. Normally, if I want to paint my face blue, I'd have to put on a white base because the face paints that they sell are never pigmented enough for my skin. And those cheap Halloween face paints, they always crack and they feel terrible on your skin, but this literally feels like foundation. This is great for Halloween, cosplay, or if you just want to paint your face blue, girl. I don't know, do you? This is so cool. Which color should I try next?
You should try the green color. That will go well on you. That will suit your face well. Because how can someone like put on a blue foundation? I can't even try it. Honestly.